Hi guys, so I've got a quick review, kind of my first impressions on the new Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. I picked it up recently at a Sephora, and I've only been using it for about a week and a half now, but I just thought I would give you kind of my first impressions so you can decide if you're thinking about picking it up or not, whether or not to do so. And at Sephora, if you pick this up, I got it in a little set that also includes a couple of sample size of Juno face oil and Good Genes, which, if you follow Sunday Riley at all, there's another Good Genes coming out with, instead of lactic acid, glycolic acid. So, and there's also another set similar to this if you want to pick it up on the Sunday Riley website. It's a set, I think it's $185, a little bit pricey, but you get a couple samples and then a large size of a new face oil that's coming out, so might be worth checking out as well. So anyway, so now I've been using this. It's described as a high dose retinoid serum, and it contains a large amount of retinoid esters. HPR is kind of the short name for it because it's hard to pronounce, and that's higher up on the ingredient list. And then they actually contains retinol, so it does have a decent amount of, between the retinol and the retinoid esters, a decent amount of retinol. So if you aren't familiar with retinol at all, I really recommend when you start out using it to mix it with a moisturizer. It's a nice liquidy serum texture, so it applies easily, and you can mix it into almost a lot of different moisturizers or very liquidy serums. So that's kind of a nice option. So if you're new to retinol, starting out, I really highly recommend you start out mixing it with a good moisturizer serum, applying it, and then skipping a day, and then doing that again the following third day, mixing it again for at least a couple weeks until your skin gets used to retinol, because it is a decent amount that they're putting in here. So actually, so far I really like it. It really doesn't have any fragrance in it. It does have a small touch of alcohol, which is near the very bottom of the list. So that's a good thing that it's pretty far down. And it's got a lot of good moisturizing ingredients, emollients, and other antioxidants in there. So it is not, if a retinol serum is put together well, it shouldn't be super drying or make your skin flake like a lot of them can do. And if you start very slowly getting your skin acclimated to it, you shouldn't have some of those nightmare scenarios that people have talked about a lot online, where their face is peeling and their skin's red and cracked. Just always start out very slow. And if a retinol serum is made well, you shouldn't have issues like that if you're kind of getting acclimated to it properly. So this one's got a lot of good emollients in there, shea butter and things like that. Prickly pears in there, I believe. So actually, so far I really like it. It's probably one of my Sunday Riley products that I liked the most, I want to say. The Tidal moisturizer I really like, but this one actually is a close second. So far I'm really liking it. I was surprised. Never quite sure what to think with Sunday Riley. It's just very hit or miss for me, but so far really liking this, and I'll definitely be doing a more thorough review after I've had a little bit longer to try it out. So if you're thinking about picking it up, I think it's probably worth it. Although if you like to try other Sunday Riley products, I recommend checking out the package on SundayRiley.com. It is a little bit more expensive, but you get a couple other products with it, so it's nice to try it out. So anyway, so probably worth checking out if you're in the market for a good retinol, and it's a little bit pricey, but not ridiculously more pricey than a lot of other retinols. So anyway, those are some of my quick first impressions on this. So check out my full review when I get a chance to try it out more. And check out NoBSBeauty.com. I'm doing a 100-day 100 mask challenge. I'm on day 32. And I think I could keep going for a whole year. I've got that many masks. So check that out. And check out the Amazon link. And I will see you guys more tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys.